Why are you already crying? The place is very nice, very roomy seat. We can wear anything which is modestly covering everything. Food looks incredible. हम लोग ने जिंदगी में पहली बार अबायाज ली है. मस्त से तुमको डेकोरेट करके दूंगी. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel with Sar, where you and we travel together. We are going to Saudi Arabia, my first trip to Saudi and my first Umrah ever. This is going to be a very different experience to anything my audience is used to seeing. If you did watch my last video, you've seen all the prep and the packing and everything that I've done for my first Umrah. This is my first time going to Saudi as a country, and Saudi has a lot to offer. It's a beautiful country, but honestly, I have never, thought of or planned of going to Umrah. Ye samne se humko aaya. We are going by the Saudi Tourism Board. They have invited us to go and experience Saudi and go and perform Umrah, and that is such a beautiful invite. I could not say no to this. This was truly one of those invites that I was like, wow, सामने से बुलावा है तो we have to go. So mom, dad and I are going. हम तीनों जा रहे. We are going to perform our first Umrah today, literally in the next 10-15 hours as we speak. It's 6:30 a.m. and abhi I'm leaving from Mumbai, India. So abhi मैं पहुंचूंगी. It's a 5.5 hour flight. We are flying Saudi Airlines और ये मेरी पहली बारी है flying Saudi Airlines also. And I've heard very good reviews about Saudi Airlines. I'm super excited to take my flight also. मम्मी पापा अपने घर में पूरी पैकिंग कर चुके हैं. मैं अपनी पूरी पैकिंग कर चुकी हूँ. 6:30 a.m. के लिए भी मेरी एक्साइटमेंट देखो, मैं सही से सोई भी नहीं हूँ. But I'm very excited to perform my first Umrah. कल रात तक मुझे बहुत नर्वसनेस हो रही थी, but अब मुझे खुशी महसूस हो रही है. And I'm just praying दिल से कि हमारा उम्रा कबूल हो. Especially for my non-Muslim viewers, this is going to be a very new experience that I'm going to share with you. Please be super accepting, super kind in the comments, especially because this is the first time that even I am going to experience this. जितना मेरे से हो सके मैं आपको vlog करके पूरे experience पे लेके जाऊंगी. And Umrah, if you don't know, it is a shorter pilgrimage than Hajj. It is a visit to Mecca. It is visit to the Kaaba Sharif. Umrah is a 3 to 4 hour ritual that you perform at the Kaaba Sharif. It is a shorter pilgrimage. Hajj is a longer pilgrimage. It is 40 days. हर रोज मैं एक नया vlog डालने वाली हूँ आप लोग के लिए. So it's going to be super exciting for you to watch. Why are you already crying?
अगर मैंने तेरे को कभी दिल दुखाई हूँ?
तुमने अभी से चोटी बांध ली हो. फुल्ली प्रिपेयर्ड है मम्मी. क्या ढूंढ रही हो?
पासपोर्ट.
हाँ, जोन 3 का क्यों शुरू हो गया?
नहीं, लोगों को वो है. अभी मैं बात करूँगी. मेरी सर्जरी है तो मेरे लिए दुआ करना. मैं विधवा हूँ, मेरे 2 बच्चे.
तुमने सबको बाथरूम में भी बता दी कि तुम उम्रा पे जा रही हो.
बिजनेस क्लास वाले ने भी बोला जो था ना सारा मिक्स बहुत हुआ था.
लोगों को समझ में आता है ना ये फ्लाइट से जा रहे हो तो
विल मेक नो लाइन इंशाल्लाह.
बोलिए ना कि जो भी हमारे लिए किसने भी कहा है
Yes.
उसकी दुआ कबूल करना.
How excited are you? First Umrah.
Very much excited. The best excitement for travel.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
I'm in my seat, you guys. This is the business class lounge of Saudi Airlines. Yes, absolutely. I've heard so much. Thank you. All right, the full flight is boarded on the business class side. This is what it's looking like at Saudi Airlines. The place is very nice, very roomy seat. I've got a lot of space over here. I'm going to remove my shoes and fail out nicely over here. I'm actually very excited to try Saudi coffee because I've heard a lot of lovely things about Saudi's coffee culture. So I'm going to try this. I've got my bag here, which I need to actually settle myself in properly. पानी की bottle और सब लेके घूम रही हूँ मैं. हमारा उम्रा आज ही है तो एहराम में फ्लाइट पे करने वाली हूँ. अनिया, my dupatta and everything. I think for now I'm just going to keep it. Alright guys, let's try Saudi coffee. That is some really rich coffee. Yeah? It's going to be like a 4.5 hour flight, I think. And they've also given us dates, which is great to welcome, start the Umrah right, and start my trip right. Mom and dad are all settled into their seats, also at the back. Let me see what else is there, guys. Over here we have this big kit from Saudia Airlines, the headset, and some seated in business class. I love exploring what all they've given you. There's water over here. I'm such a simpleton on this flight because no makeup, no skincare, nothing. I've not done even lip tint, nothing. Giving you a complete tour. I'm sitting on seat 4C. Saudia Airlines goes to a lot of places. They have very good connectivity. Let's set up our display. We're going from Mumbai to Jeddah, and 4 hours 52 minutes finally is our travel time. There is some time for takeoff. There is place to charge over here. अगर मुझे charge करना है तो right now my batteries are full. I'm going to recline my seat a little bit actually. I'm going to go picture. I love when that starts happening. Leg rest is going up. Seats are really comfortable. All set. Super comfy. I have my laptop also here, and I've got this Chotu-sa notebook that I'm going to write my prayer intentions in. It's actually a customized notebook from my brand. And Tibi, there's a small business that did this for our upcoming party, which is at home. But I'm going to write my prayer intentions in this, all my duas. Going to watch. There's a lot of things. There's also Islamic readings over here, I think. Yeah. You can also watch Islamic TV and audio, or you can watch TV, general TV if you want. Okay, she's coming to take our orders. She's so beautiful, and she's coming to take our orders for the meals. So let's see what I've decided. Finally, I'll show you the menu. They have a great menu of Indian, vegetarian, everything. And I've heard the food in Saudi is amazing. So Saudia Airlines is offering us lamb biryani, the cruise sauce, hummus. This so I definitely want to eat. And kesari rasmalai, dude. I'm gonna cheat on this holiday. I don't know if I can select both, so I'm gonna ask her if I can take an omelette also for my protein intake of the day, because Umrah mein bahut walking hota hai. Of course you need your protein, and then all of these are the beverage options. You've got bellissimo and also chai, lassi, everything. This is a proper brunch menu because it's a day flight na. I really like a day flight more than a red eye क्योंकि ये proper खाना है, नाश्ता and खाना दोनों मिल रहा है. Alright guys, we're about to take off. If you'll notice, a lot of people are already wearing their ihram, which is the outfit you're supposed to wear for Umrah. I'm wearing a fully modest outfit, but I'm going to put on my abaya, which is my ihram, make my niyat for Umrah, everything after takeoff. Basically, for non-Muslims, all my non-Muslim friends, you all need to know that Umrah has 4 sections, okay? So, Ihram is basically the niyat कि आप जा रहे हो Umrah पे. You're supposed to say some prayers, put on your outfit, everything. For men, it's an unstitched outfit. So, you have to wear white unstitched fabric. And for them, there is a color mandate and unstitched fabric. So, they drape a fabric which has no stitches on it all over themselves. But for women, we can wear anything which is modestly covering everything, our head, our full body. So, I'm already wearing a modest outfit. इसके ऊपर मैं अबाया चढ़ाऊंगी और मेरा head cover करूंगी when I'm closer to the destination, and they will announce 30 minutes before Mikhat. So I already confirmed with the staff on the airlines that they will be making an announcement 30 minutes before. So 30 minutes before they let you know. So the pilgrimage area, you're supposed to be into a certain radius. उससे पहले आपकी नियत बंद जानी चाहिए. Since we are taking a flight over there, we will already be very close to the Mecca. So we need to make our niyat on the flight. You can wear your ihram ghar se also, but it's honestly personal preference. There's no such mandate. Just have to make it before the Mikhat. That is the boundary, that is the line at which you need to sort of make your niyat before that, wear your outfit, everything. And most important thing after that, once you reach Mecca, when you're performing the Umrah, there are 2 sections, 2 or 3 sections I would say, Tawaf, Sa'i, and then end me you're supposed to cut your hair. So now if I've tied my hair, I cannot even have my hair falling, breaking my hair or pulling my hair or cutting my hair. I cannot do any of this. So there are certain things you can't do once you're in ihram, in that state of prayer. You've already made a niyat for Umrah, so you're only praying for that. So we are already reciting our prayers, which is why I'm writing all my prayers down so that I can keep chanting them once I'm in that niyat. Baki you can eat and drink whatever you want. There is no restriction on that. You just cannot touch fragrance, cannot touch anything. So all my lipsticks, everything have fragrance in them, which is why I didn't put any lipstick, no makeup, no skincare, literally nothing, not even a scented soap, no shower gel, nothing. So even I'm not even washing my hand with soap. I've bought wet wipes which are not alcohol. The वो बच्चे लोग के wet wipes आते हैं ना पानी वाले, वो वाले wet wipes I've bought which is only पानी, no alcohol, no fragrance. So I can wipe my hands with that, my face with that. But once ihram is done, you can't even touch anything to your face. So yeah, there are a lot of rules, but I've learned them all. I'm confident. Headset connect करने के लिए इधर दिया है हम लोग ने. They're gonna serve food, so I'm gonna watch something. Till then, let's see what in-flight entertainment options we have. Oh, there's a lot of options. Harry Potter collection, always above everything else. Harry Potter in Arabic, wow, that would be new. I'm gonna watch from the first one. Smells so good. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, the food looks incredible, you guys. It smells so good. Look at that flaky croissant. Oh my god. I'm gonna carb load. There we've got a yogurt bowl, fruits, some salad, cheese, grapes, some more types of cheese that looks very interesting. That omelette looks delicious. Chicken, there's veggies, and it's such a good balanced meal. Like, this is my ideal food. My nutritionist is gonna be very happy with this. Let's dig in. Guys, I requested for another portion of the eggs and they served me another portion of the masala omelette. They're so sweet to accommodate that. I told them only if they have extra, and they were like, yeah, absolutely. So I have extra eggs to suffice me for the whole day. And I'm watching Harry Potter with Arabic subtitles. Wow. Guys, you can control the movie. You've come to change?
Yeah, but that one.
Okay. There is a prayer room behind. At the end of economy.
Okay.
So we can go there. Watch my mom transform into the most ideal Muslim ever. हम लोग ने जिंदगी में पहली बार अबायाज ली है. रीत ने मेरे को खरीद के दिया है. Can you believe? हाँ. मुंह नहीं ढकना. Very good. Perfect. So cute you are looking, मम्मी. मम्मी का बहुत प्यारा कलर है. This is from Anna Clothing. Very nice fabric also. सॉफ्ट पैटर्न एकदम मस्त है. मम्मी भी हाइट के हिसाब से परफेक्ट ये साइज उनके लिए. तो मेरे लिए मैंने ये खरीदी बिकॉज मेरी हाइट का नहीं था. दूसरा जो मेरी हाइट का आना ने दिया है वो मैं कल पहन ली. तुमको बेल्ट चाहिए? बेल्ट नहीं चाहिए ना. हाथ है ना मम्मी. हाथ है मम्मी. तुमने घर पे ट्राई तो की थी. ये क्या है?
ट्राई नहीं की थी घर में.
ट्राई नहीं की थी, खाली ऊपर से डाली थी. अमेजिंग. और क्या है ये तुम्हारा स्कार्फ? अभी पिन करूँ कि बाद में नीचे लैंडिंग के टाइम? ये तुम्हारा टेक्निकली और कवर्ड, योर डन, योर गुड टू गो. हाँ, बहुत क्यूट लग रहा है मम्मी. इसको मैं मस्त से तुमको डेकोरेट करके दूंगी. रुक जाओ, अभी मैं पहनूं अपना. गाइस, आई पुट यू हियर. हम लोग तो बचपन में पहनते थे ना, मौलाना आते थे तो. I took one nap. Let's go. चलो चलो, ट्रेन छूट ना जाए. Alright guys, we've landed in Jeddah. The airport is beautiful. ठंडा ठंडा एकदम इधर. मम्मी को जिंदगी में ऐसा तुमने देखी होगा कभी? क्या बोल रहे? एकदम मस्त. मम्मी बोलती है बोल रही पापा को अच्छी दिख रही है ना, बोलेगी रोज पहनना. Look at that museum, you guys. There is a freaking aquarium inside this airport. How cool is that? This is massive, huh?